So it's day 37 of Living with AI, and we have here my kids, North and West, and they will listen to today's parable is the parable of the blacksmith's chain. A blacksmith was tasked with forging a chain to secure the gates of a great city. Each day he hammered links together, one after another, until the chain stretched long and heavy. One evening, his apprentice asked, "Master, how do the chains grow so quickly?" The blacksmith smiled and said, "It is not the iron that is dangerous, but the first link. Once the first link is forged, the rest will follow, unless you break it early." The apprentice thought, then took the hammer. The next time a flawed link was formed, he struck it apart before it could bind the others. The chain could not grow. The moral of the story and the teaching is that loops are chains, or what you do and your routines are chains.
What are routines?
The things that you do every time. In the morning, what is your routine?
You pray. You
You
pray.
pray, that's the first
You
thing.
eat. You brush your teeth.
Yes. And then you take a bath. That's your routine. And you start it with a prayer. That's your first link. That's your first habit. That's your first loop. Huh? You pray. And then that starts off your day. And the first link is the moment of choice. So when you wake up, the first thing you think of is
Pray.
pray. Think of God, how grateful we are. And if you break the chain early, sovereignty remains yours.
What is serenity?
That's your freedom to do what you want, to make your own choices. And if you wait too long, the links grow heavy. So if you practice doing good, you will learn good things. That's why chains are getting heavy. That's what it's saying. Because these are chains. The first one, you start with a prayer, your routine, and then you connect it with the next thing that you do. And then it connects to the next thing. If the first thing that you did, your first practice, was made of bad things, the other things connected to it
Will be bad.
might be bad. And if you want to cut it, it will be hard because it's already so long. You don't even know where to start and what link to cut. Because even if you cut the last one, the bad link that you started with is still there and it still keeps growing.
And you cut the first.
Then you have to cut the first. You have to identify which link to cut.
This is always the first one.
Yes. That's why you practice something good so that you be good at good things instead of trying to change. It's easier to learn while you're still young
Why is it pray?
because it's time to sleep. It's 10:30 and that is day 37.